I am so excited to be here. You guys know how much I love elevating educators. It is so important to have you in school, working with the amazing educators that are sitting next to you, your great teachers who come to school every day to provide awesome programs.
There are a few factors that need to be in place for you to make the most of your education. First, your own willingness and motivation to set high expectations for yourself and then work hard to achieve them. The second factor is the support of your parents, of families. But there is a third factor, and that is the role of teachers and principals. The Milken Educator Award goes to Eva Irwin. The Milken Educator Award goes to Travis Dodds.
Funny story. So my parents are educators, and growing up I knew I would not be an educator. That was the last thing on my mind. I explored other career opportunities and found out those were not for me. And in the back of my mind, I was thinking, you know, maybe I could be a teacher. And I had a really great opportunity to explore teaching here at Atlee. And from the moment I stepped foot in that classroom, I knew that was the right fit. I loved my colleagues, I loved my students, and I loved the job.
We are the heart and soul of these schools, and we're the ones that show up every day and make sure these kids get what they need. And so I feel like sometimes teachers kind of get overlooked with, you know, just other things going on. And it's really important to recognize good educators because, especially in the midst of a teacher shortage, we need all the great ones that we can keep. And the kids know, you know, who they can go and build those good relationships with. So it's really important to have people that want to be here for the right reasons.
One of the things that we've seen in the Commonwealth is that great teachers continue to open up new opportunities, to press students to explore new capabilities, to draw out of you things you didn't think you could do, and most importantly, to prepare you to do exactly what you're supposed to do, which is fulfill every ounce of potential that the Lord has granted you.
It's motivation for me to continue striving each and every day to improve, to not become complacent in my teaching.
I'm so honored that they see such potential in me, but this really could have gone to so many people at Alexandria City High School. We are truly blessed with some of the best staff in the state, and I truly believe that.